Hi everyone, this is Colton with WellCats. Today I'm going to be showing you a cool recipe, very simple. It'll only take you about 10 minutes to put together and it's quite nutritious. So what we're going to be making is a black bean soup. If you want to take a look at the ingredients over here, we're, as the name implies, going to be utilizing cans of black beans, a salsa of your choice. We're using what we had in the fridge, so if you want to lower the sodium content in this dish, you could get a low sodium option. Same goes for the black beans. You could get a low sodium black bean, no problem. We'll be using ground cumin, some tortilla chips for a little extra crunch, and then we'll be garnishing with Greek yogurt. You can also use sour cream and avocado and tomato. Okay, so I am making this dish for 4, so I'm going to go ahead and double this recipe. In the recipe I send that's linked, it will be made out for 1 serving, so just know that I'm doubling the recipe. So to start out, it's as simple as really adding most of the ingredients into a pot. So we got our 2 cans of black beans, pouring those right in. Now, black beans are an excellent source of fiber, and that's actually something that a lot of Americans don't quite get in, and really beans are an excellent way to meet that daily fiber recommendation. Also, it's a great non-meat source of protein, so beans are awesome. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of water. Again, this recipe is doubled, so in the recipe I will send, it would be a 1/2 cup. And then we will be adding our salsa in. And so just pour it right in. Now, using canned or already jarred salsa is nice because you can avoid cutting those onions and all the tears that comes with that, right? And then finally, we'll be putting 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin into the recipe. Like so. And that's it to start, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and put it on about medium high, about 6 on our gauge. On some stovetops, it would be, about medium high. So we'll get that started, and then we'll go ahead, as it warms up, stir everything on together. You just want to get it to where it's a nice consistency overall. You can't really pick out one ingredient over the other than the beans, of course. And once it's all mixed, we'll go ahead and move to cutting our tomato and avocado. You can stop it. So some quick nutrition information on a couple of our ingredients. Avocado is an excellent source of monounsaturated fats. Now these are very healthy fats. They're great for cardiovascular health and heart health overall. Also, we're using tomatoes. These are high in lycopene. Also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. So these alone are going to boost the nutrition profile of this recipe immensely. So since there isn't anything exactly cooking in here, all the ingredients were prepared before, you just want to go ahead and let it sit on the burner until you get a good simmer going. Thus it's warm enough to eat, right? And so there we'll go ahead and just ladle out our dish. All right, now that you have the soup ready, just go ahead and add your garnishings. So we'll be going with some avocado. And a bit of tomato. Now this is plain flavored Greek yogurt. It's going to act in substitution of sour cream. Give it a try. I promise you won't taste the difference. But if you hate it, you can go for sour cream, that's fine. Low fat's the best option when it comes to sour cream. And then our tortilla chips, add a little extra crunch. And I like to just give it a good and voila, you have black bean soup.